And job of the day, all I have to do is a solar power charger on this Airtow drop deck. I marked where I'm gonna drill the holes for it, and then I'll put the charger onto this battery. Let's get to it. Hold on. And I got this installed, nuts and bolts, nylocks. Just cutting off this piece. I'm gonna run it down here and silicone it. There we go. Controller is in, nice and tight. And leave enough wire. There's a bunch of wire that gives you. I'll probably just zip tie it to that, and then I'll silicone that hole so it's watertight. I think that's why. There we go. Good, good. All right, wiring is all put back together. Shrink wrap. Put shrink wrap over the top of that. And shrink wrap is good on that. I need a 9/16 to get that off the battery. And ground to ground, or negative negative, and positive positive. Good. Hook up power and see if they work. Good. And it is blinking and it is working. Probably zip tie everything so nothing rubs. That's what I'll do. Ties, wiring zip tied, clip, 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 clip. Good, let's fill that with silicone. Silicone is on and over the top. Not a silicone artist, but at least it seals. Solar panel is on, working and discharging the battery right now. Everything works, everything's locked back up. This one's done and I'm on to the next.